Hello, welcome to another Wikipedia tutorial. Today we're going to cover the topic of creating an internal link. This is also referred to as Wikifying your page. To do that, we can open up our sandbox and type whatever we want to do. So if I'm creating a link to another page, let me set up a sentence. For example, Tanager Media is a web development company that was featured on the Fox News Network. I don't know if that's what it's actually called, the Fox News Network, but we'll go with there. Now, if I want to Wikify this sentence, I need to look at things that will help readers better understand my topic. In this case, the topic is Tanager Media. And what are things that would be other internal pages in Wikipedia that would give additional information? Now, if I look through this sentence, I can think, well, there's probably a Wikipedia page on web development. There's probably one on Fox News as well. And so those are the two links that I'm trying to create. Now, when in doubt, you can always do what we should always do when we're stuck and don't know how to do something, and Google it. So I'm going to Google how to create an internal link in Wikipedia. And the reason I want to do this is because there's lots of ways of creating internal links. Now, 90% of them are going to follow the same basic format, but let's look at, Wikipedia actually has a few different style guides here, so let's open these all up in new tabs and look through what they have to say. So they're going to talk about Wiki Links and inter-Wiki links, which are actually links that go to other wikis that aren't Wikipedia, so you can do that. And then they're going to talk about external links and so forth. A piped link, that's part of the internal link, and so we'll talk about that a little today. A pipe is like this, between the A and the B, and you need to do that when there are issues with a link that goes to a page that might have several pages. So we'll show you an example of that in a moment. The next thing that Wikipedia has shown us is their manual of style, and this is a great place to go for general formatting, thinking about why we would link to something. And basically here is it's just to add additional information to your topic to help people in the research. Overlinking and underlinking, and tons of information about that and how you might do that. Now, here they use as examples Riverside, California, because sometimes when you're talking about a city, you only want to say Riverside, you don't want to say California every time. And so that's where you might use a piped example, where you can just say Riverside, but it links to the Riverside, California page. And so that's important, and we'll show an example of that. You'll notice the basic way to create an internal link is what they've done here. They simply put two brackets before and two brackets after. Now, this is assuming you are in edit source mode. If you are in your kind of WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get editing mode, there's a button that just says link, and you can do it that way. So I'm going to come over here now to my sandbox. Back to the original example, Tanager Media is a web development company. So I'm going to put those brackets on, before and after, and I'll do that here on Fox as well, and we'll see what we get. So we hit the show preview. You'll see that the link, sure enough, it works. If these links were broken links, or if there wasn't a page for that thing, then they'll show up red. And so we know that this works. So if we click on that and open up web development, now we see a page on web development which has been wikified. Look at that. And so it has a lot of links there. Now on the Fox one, when I open that up, it actually goes to a Fox, which is a problem. And part of this is because it is case sensitive. So now if I change Fox from lowercase o and x, the actual Fox channel is all capital letters, so that is going to take care of that problem by linking now to the Fox Broadcasting Company. And maybe that's how I should be calling it, not the Fox News Network or whatever, Fox Broadcasting Company. So what I can do is I know now that this is the link to the page. If I want to say Fox Broadcasting Company, I'm going to stick that pipe in there and put the text that I want to be read on the side. So Fox Broadcasting Company. I'm going to link to that whole thing, and I can get rid of this news network. And then the link, of course, is just going to that capital FOX. So now when I show the preview, oh, I switched it. So I need to move that. So Fox Broadcasting Company, the actual text then apparently is on the right, not on the left. So it's a mistake in there. All right, well, easy fix. Show the preview. Now it shows Fox Broadcasting Company. And when I click on that, it goes to the article that's called Fox. You see that this was redirected from the original article of Fox. So that's how you create an internal link. This is really helpful for your articles. It strengthens the articles because it makes them more useful in linking to other pages. So hopefully this will help you in writing your Wikipedia articles. Thank you.